If you're selling wholesale through Shopify Collective, you're probably assuming the platform has the tax side covered. Most sellers do, and that assumption is exactly what creates the problem. Shopify's docs on Collective say almost nothing about resale certificates, but silence from the platform doesn't mean the states are silent. Your obligation to collect or get documentation proving you shouldn't doesn't go away just because the sale happened inside Shopify. We work with multi-state sellers every single day who discover this gap after the fact. And here's what you need to know before that happens to you. First, what is Shopify Collective? Shopify Collective is a marketplace inside Shopify that helps merchants connect and sell to each other with ease. If you're a designer, a creator, or a supplier, you can list products or services and other Shopify merchants can buy from you directly for resale or use in their stores. Collective handles catalog sharing, order workflow, and seamless fulfillment, so you don't have to deal with manual invoicing or back and forth messaging. It's basically a built-in supply ecosystem for Shopify sellers. Well, why is this a big deal? You get market visibility to thousands of Shopify merchants. Shopify handles the checkout, the fulfillment, notifications, and product syncing. You don't have to build your own B2B storefront or deal with clunky EDI integrations, and it streamlines wholesale selling so you can focus on production quality and growth. But here's the catch, and it's not clear in the Shopify Collective docs. There's little to no information about resale certificates or sales tax obligations for suppliers. So if you're selling wholesale through Collective to other merchants, technically you're selling to them. And that means charging sales tax unless they give you a valid resale certificate. A resale certificate lets another business buy goods tax-free from you because they're going to resell them to their customers. Without that certificate, you're supposed to collect sales tax at the point of sale. Best practices around resale certificates include getting a valid resale certificate before the sale happens, storing the certificate in your records tied to the buyer, checking that the certificate is current and valid for your state, and knowing that out-of-state certificates may or may not be accepted depending on where you have nexus. For deeper definitions, see how resale certificates really work with our hands-off sales tax guide. And I'll include the link to that article in the video description, or you can pause and enter this link. If a state audit looks at your collective sales and finds you didn't collect sales tax because you assumed Shopify handled everything, you could owe that uncollected tax plus penalties and interest in every state where you have nexus. States don't care that the sale happened inside a platform. It's still your liability unless you have the right documentation. Shopify Collective is a great tool. Just make sure you've got your resale certificates handled before your first wholesale order ships. Speaking of which, if you're not 100% sure what a resale certificate actually is or how it works, click or tap on this video. And remember, when in doubt, consult with a sales tax professional.